Whoa. So, I'm going back na guys. Oh my god. Whee! It's a different view. It's so cold. So much snow. A very nice experience. Mountain na siya. This is Japan in winter. Linbak dong, linbak na. Oh, tugdok ko. Malahos na.
So how is it? Nice. Love the snow.
Nag-iap din siya. So guys, we're on a stop. Gala, Izawa. Very beautiful place. Baga kayo ang snow. Oh. Mami, oh. Say hi to my vlog.
My excuse? I'm in Japan.
Ay, siglihok din ako. Matagak na yung shoes.
Just dusting the snow.
RTL. Hala, wag na kayo siya guys. Grabe. It's very beautiful to be in the snow. Imagine if you live here. No? Like, kada mga Finland, mga anak ba? Nice snow every day. Like, katong Elsa dong ba?
Arendelle?
Yeah, ligya siya guys. What's his name? Steph? What? Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, no. I would rather stay in this country, my home country, than live here for a month.
Why man?
How do you even get food in the cold?
You don't live in this very cold area. It's this very cold man. Just live in Tokyo. Just visit this vacation.
Yeah, but if I had to choose, I'd rather pick a very hot climate.
No. Sakit ng hot eh.
Dude, we literally live in one.
Philippines?
Yes.
Yeah, super.
Kind of hot, but I like a hot country.